Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are finally diving into one of the most exciting, futuristic, and revolutionary products. Apple is preparing for 2026, the Apple AI glasses. For years, we've heard countless rumors about Apple's smart glasses, but now leaks, patents, supply chain confirmations, and insider reports are all pointing in the same direction. Apple is about to redefine wearable technology once again. In this video, we're exploring everything: the design, display technology, sensors, AI features, connectivity, battery life, pricing leaks, launch timeline, and Apple's strategy to shift from iPhones to AI-first wearables. So sit back, relax, and let's jump straight into the future with Apple AI Glasses 2026. First, let's talk about the design, because Apple never compromises here. According to early CAD models and industry insiders, the Apple AI glasses will look like normal, lightweight glasses, not bulky Air headsets like the Vision Pro. The frame is expected to be made of a combination of liquid metal alloy and ultra-thin carbon fiber, keeping it extremely lightweight yet strong. Apple wants to make these glasses feel like a regular fashion accessory, not a tech gadget. You'll be able to choose from multiple styles: classic, sport, minimal transparent frame, and even prescription-friendly versions. The temples of the glasses will hide mini speakers, microphones, sensors, and battery modules, all designed for comfort. Apple's goal is simple: technology should disappear, while intelligence should remain. Now the biggest question: how will the display work? Leaks suggest Apple is using micro-OLED holographic waveguide displays, similar to what's used in military-grade AR systems. These displays will project visual elements directly into your field of view, giving you a transparent layer of digital information without blocking the real world. Expected key features include up to 2000 nits brightness for outdoor visibility, time of day adaptive opacity, eye tracking controlled UI, ultra-low latency for instant response, full-color holographic text and icons. This means you can look at a street, a building, or an object and get real-time information right in front of your eyes. Since Apple introduced Apple Intelligence, one thing became clear: AI is the future of every Apple product. And with Apple AI glasses, this becomes even more powerful. You'll be able to say, "Hey Siri, what am I looking at?" and instantly get descriptions, product names, translations, or even prices. Another example: look at your laptop screen and say, "Summarize this page," and you'll get a short summary floating in front of you. Other expected AI features: real-time object recognition, live translation of signs and conversations, smart navigation arrows on real streets, health monitoring using advanced sensors, AI-powered reminders based on your surroundings. This isn't just AR, it's ambient intelligence. Information anywhere, anytime, without lifting a phone. The glasses will reportedly include dual LiDAR sensors, ambient light sensors, eye tracking cameras, gesture tracking sensors, thermal sensors, environment mapping depth cameras. These sensors will help with real-time environment scanning, 3D object recognition, indoor navigation, hands-free controls, safety alerts when walking or driving. Imagine walking towards traffic and your glasses warn you instantly, or entering a mall and seeing navigation arrows floating in the air. That's the level of awareness Apple is planning. Apple AI glasses won't work alone. They'll connect with your entire ecosystem. Expected integrations: iPhone, quick notifications, calls, messages; Apple Watch, health data overlay; Mac, floating virtual screens; Vision Pro, shared spatial environment; HomeKit, home automation controls; Apple Music, gesture-based controls. And yes, Apple is rumored to be working on virtual Mac monitors you can wear anywhere. Imagine opening your MacBook and seeing 3 extra screens floating around you, all private and only visible to you. Smart glasses always struggle with battery life, and Apple knows this. Leaks suggest Apple will include dual battery cells inside the temples, a portable magnetic battery band, 8 to 10 hours of regular use, fast charging via a custom magnetic dock. Apple may also include a low-power mode that only shows essential information, like navigation, messages, and AI prompts. One major concern with smart glasses is privacy, but Apple's privacy-first approach will likely include visible indicator light when cameras are active, all processing done on device, no facial recognition in public, encrypted voice commands, transparent data processing policies. This might give Apple a big advantage over competitors like Meta, Google, and Samsung. Apple AI glasses can change multiple industries. 1. Students and learning. Get instant definitions, translations, notes, and AR overlays while studying. 2. Creators and filmmakers. Real-time framing guides, shot suggestions, and AI camera control. 3. Travelers. Automatic translation of signs, menus, street directions, and local information. 4. Fitness and running. Virtual run path guides, live stats, heart rate overlays, and safe route alerts. 5. Professionals. Floating productivity tools, to-do lists, reminders, calendars, and virtual screens. Real-time arrows on roads, indoors, airports, malls, stations. No phone needed. This is not just eyewear. It's the next generation of personal computing. Let's talk about price. Based on manufacturing costs and leaks, base model may start at $799 to $999. Advanced Pro model could be $1,299 plus. Prescription lenses, extra cost. And now the big question. Launch date. Multiple supply chain sources confirm that Apple is targeting late 2026 unveiling. If everything goes smoothly, we may see the first teaser at Apple's 2026 September event.